straight from that one to this one. Oh, this one needs a wheel burn as well. So that bushing's hold on by the flipping skin of its teeth. Gonna turn her over by hand, make sure she's not seized. Oh. So it must be a problem with the starter motor. You turn over by crossing this over. Oh. Nothing. That should be big sparks. It's very strange. Hard to do it with one hand, but should get the gist of it. Yep. Voltage getting to there. Starter motor's a problem. If I give her a wee taparoo while I press the button, it might work. Yeah. Still stuck. Take it out, have a look. So, turns out it's working. When it's bench tested, that's a lot of amps. Must be a problem with this cable. So I just checked there. Look what I found. That should be up there. See that little tab there? So I bet you if I do that, it'll work. But yeah, it's just rotted clean off it. Class. There we go. We'll see how that looks whenever we flop around. There we go. Let's see what happens. Oh yes, look at that there. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, just to show you what should have happened here. Get the camera right. That was a lot of symptoms showing that it could have been a starter motor. So that's why I'm straight to that. Going to the solenoid, it didn't really help at all, but finding the wee hidden broken cable definitely did. So, me. If you want to see the wheel bearing been done, it should be here or there. Just look for it.